Are you looking for the best biscuit joiner in your budget? Well, in today's video we break down the top 5 best biscuit joiner that are available on the market. I made this list based on their price, quality, durability, and more. To find out more information about this product, you can check out the description below, and also make sure you subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. The 5th product on our list is the dewalt biscuit joiner. You can join different kinds of woods with minimum effort and fuss with the help of this plate joiner. It has mid-range power of 6.6 amps, so this should be a great ally for home renovators, DIY enthusiasts, and hobbyists. It has 10,000 RPM speed that can get the job done fast even when working with hardwood. Its integrated fence is one piece only and has an adjustable range of 0 to 90 degrees. It comes complete with a 45-degree locating notch. Use this to easily index outside the mitered joint surface. The pins have anti-slip properties and can be retracted so you can keep your wood secure. This is good power for a mid-range biscuit joiner. It gets the job done even when you are working with thicker cuts of hardwood. Many said they did not notice any change in the speed and power even when switching from softwood to hardwood. You get accurate joints all the time, thanks to its dual rack and pinion fence. This feature ensures that the joints are parallel all the time, eliminating human errors and saving you so much time in keeping the joints parallel. You can easily clamp the aluminum shoe on any surface. It has a non-marring feature, so you do not have to worry that it will damage your work surface. You can use most biscuit sizes with its preset depth stops. This product just weighed 6.6 pounds. It is light, compact, and easy to use even for people with hand issues. It comes with a 3-year limited warranty and a 90-day money-back guarantee. Dust should not be a problem if you know how to use the dust bag properly. It is advisable to remove the dust bag and clean the chute regularly or when you see wood shavings appearing at the front part before putting the dust bag in again. This should prevent any clogs in the chute. It is one ergonomic piece of equipment. There are no problems with the handling. The front part also makes way for effortless joining. It can be used right out of the box. There are no major adjustments needed for its settings. Up next in the 4th place is the Festool 574447 XLDF 700 Domino Joiner Set. Festool is known for its high-end and high-quality woodworking equipment. This tool can help you create the most durable tenon joints or mortise joints without too much time and effort. This being a high-end tool, you can expect this to be equipped with many advanced features. That includes a pivoting fence that allows you to make the perfect angled mortises. It can accommodate 0-90-degree angles. This tool has 5 mortising depths. You can choose the right depth to correspond to the size of the tenon you need for the application. This tool has 720 watts of power and has a spindle speed of 21,000. This has excellent accuracy and precision. You can be assured that you are cutting the right mortise because of its variable mortising depth. You can choose from a depth of 19/32 of inches to up to 2-3 divided by 4 inches with 5 mm increments. It is a very powerful tool. It accomplishes a lot of joining tasks without wearing out easily. Its dust extraction system is one of the best. It gets rid of the dust from wood, so you do not have many things to clean up. It also prevents breathing in harmful toxins. Although it is feature-packed, it is quite a portable tool. You can easily find a place for it in your workspace. It can be wheeled around with ease. Since it is compact, it is easy to store as well. It works for a wide range of tenon sizes. You can work with a thicker tenon or longer ones. It is not difficult to maintain. Setup is also fairly easy. Even the regular hobbyist or the novice woodworker will find this a great option. The rotating and oscillating spiral cutter is also a nice feature. It will allow you to create perfect and accurate mortises all the time. Adjusting the mortise is easier, thanks to its depth control system. Adjusting the width of the mortise is also easier, which will help you make perfect join panels. It comes with all the accessories and tools you need, such as a cross stop, a wrench, a support bracket, and a tram stop. The 3rd product on our list is the Makita PJ7000 plate joiner. Here is another mid-range joiner that you can get for those small to medium projects. Its 5.6 amp of motor provides just enough power to deliver 11,000 RPM of speed. Like the previous model, this one also allows you to work with a variety of woods. You can transition from soft to hardwood with ease. The PJ7000 already comes with 6 different preset cutting depth settings, so you can use this immediately after getting it. It is easy to set it up to the right biscuit size as it comes with 0, 10, and 20 touch stops. You can quickly change blades with how easily you can open the blade cover as well as lock the shaft. This is a well-built tool. The design is sleek and has a good construction that can withstand wear and tear. You can make fence adjustments easily. The cam locks in place and large enough for easier handling. It also makes way for more accurate adjustments due to the rack and pinion vertical fence system. You can keep your work environment clean with its dust bag that effectively captures dust from wood. The dust nozzle is also rotatable. You can connect it easier to a dust extraction system. This tool is easy to handle. Aside from its slim profile, its design is ergonomic enough for all-day usage. The top grip handle is also large and easy even for big hands to handle. The brushes are also found inside the unit, so it is easier to handle and move around. The pivot fence is made from cast aluminum for more durability. You can use different sizes of biscuits here. This product is engineered in Japan. Assembly of the parts is done in the USA. It makes clean cuts all the time. Many said it operates quietly. Second on our list is the VonHaus 8.5 amp wood biscuit plate joiner. This might be the most affordable one in this list, but don't underestimate its power and accuracy. It is capable of making biscuit cuts for a variety of joints. Whether you are making miter joints, T-joints, corner joints, or butt joints, this should be a good choice. It packs a lot of power with its 8.5 amps and 120 V of power. You can also choose from preset depth stops of 0, 10, and 20. It has a 4 inches blade and a cutting speed of 10,000 RPM. Great for those small to mid-sized projects. It only weighs 7.4 pounds for easier handling and transport. You can use this for all sorts of wood materials with this, making this a good choice for all-around carpentry work. This is an accurate biscuit joiner. It makes accurate joints all the time. It can be used to create a variety of joints such as T-joints and miter joints. You will be able to use this right away because there are already preset depth stops for biscuit sizing. The fence is completely adjustable. You can easily set the angle for mitered joints. Design-wise, it is very ergonomic. The grip handle is large and can accommodate even larger hands. It is light enough for you to maneuver it for extended periods of time without feeling hand fatigue. It is compatible with other joiner blades as long as they are 4 inches in diameter, and has a 22mm bore. This is a very affordable biscuit joiner. If you are a hobbyist or occasional woodworker and you do not want to spend too much money on an expensive joiner, this is a great entry-level tool you can buy. It already includes a dust port as well as a dust bag. This helps you keep your work area clean and free from debris. Finally, the top product on our list is the Porter Cable Plate Joiner Kit. The next tool on our biscuit joiner reviews is the Porter Cable 557 7-amp Plate Joiner Kit. This tool comes with an impressive 7-amp motor that delivers a no-load speed of 10,000 rotations per minute. It also features 7 different settings that cater to the most cutting needs. To provide you with more control over the tool, the handle is positioned over the fence. This tool is also highly flexible, as you can tilt the fence from 0 to 135 degrees, and this provides you with a great deal of scope. It comes with a lock-on trigger that makes it easier for you to use this tool for an extended period. This feature helps to ease the pressure on your fingers. It also comes with an adjustable height, allowing you to customize it a bit. You can use this tool to handle a variety of wood. It offers 7-position rotating depth stops for FF, 0, 10, 20, duplex, simple, and max biscuits. This unit comes with a 4 inches blade that is ideal for making standard size cuts and a 2 inches blade for handling cuts as fine as 1.5 inches. The packaging of this tool includes 2 blades, spanner wrench, centering plate, chip deflector, and dust bag. This tool is also very easy to handle, lightweight, and compact as it weighs only 7.5 pounds. The precise micro height adjustment knob is also there to help you make precise adjustments. This unit also allows for single wrench bit changes, thanks to its spindle lock feature. It is compact for portability and comfortable handling. Thanks for watching, and that's all for now, I hope to see you guys in the next video. Till next time.